Hi, this is Sean Matthew from seanmatthewk.wixsite.com/mainframehard-1. In this video, we will learn about some more tags such as table, tr, td and some more, and some attributes also. In our previous video, we also learned about some attributes and tags such as span, image and some more. So now let's delete all our code that we entered or typed in our previous video. So in this video we will include a table. So let's include a table element. So we have included a table element, but it needs row, description, heading and many more things. For that we use some other tags inside that. So let's include the t-head tag, which defines the heading of the table. And in that we should include an table row. So let's include a table row. We use tr tag for table row. You can see that the tr element represents a row of cells in a table. For the cells, we will use the td tag. So you can see here td, but it represents a data cell, but we want a table heading to be displayed, so we will use the th tag. So what's this? The th element represents a header cell in a table. So our first cell, heading cell, will be name. Then let's have another heading in the same row, and that will be salary. And the next will be gender. So we have completed our heading, and so now let's use the t-body tag, which defines the body of a table. So in the t-body tag, let's include another tr, which defines for a table row. So now let's include a td, which represents the data cell. In the first name will be, let me think, John. And his salary will be $3,300. And so gender is gender, and his gender is male. So now let's change all our changes, save all our changes, and then have a look at the browser. So we can see that the result is like this. The name is the table heading or the cell heading, And the first cell has John, salary 3,300, and gender male. So if we want another table row or another personality in that, so let's include another table row, then include another table data in that, then write the name Sarah. Then the salary will be 4,100. And next is gender, and that will be female. So now let's save these changes and let's refresh the browser, and you can see that we have got the result. But this do not has a border or something, it's full white at background. So then let's change it's like a graph, should be a grid, like a grid. We will do that. So we are going to learn a new attribute, and that is the style attribute. Style defines by an inline CSS or inline style sheet. We will learn more about CSS in our upcoming videos. So but now let's do this work, and we will use a pseudo class. Pseudo class is some like border and many more things. I will explain when we will study CSS. So now let's include a border class in it, and then a colon for how should be the border, and let's include 1 pixel, that's the size. And after that we can include what type of it should be. So let's include solid. You can use dotted or any other. And then next one is the color. So let's use black, and now let's save and reload our web page. You can see that it has border around this. So let's include this in most of our cells. First let's include this in table rows. Let's save it and reload. Nothing will happen. We have another way to do that, and I will say that in the next video. And today we are concluding the video. So thank you for watching.